So today we're going to talk for a minute about the non-realty item addendum. This is if you have certain non-real property. A good example is like washer, dryer. If there's furniture in the home, if there's a certain fridge that they want. This doesn't include anything that's built into the property, okay? So you have to remember when you do this, it's not anything fixed like a stove, things like that. Let's say they have a trampoline in the back. This would be for something like that as well. So make sure that you're paying attention to what would be in here. Now, right here, of course, you put the address of the property here. And then right here where it says for an additional sum of, you can click in here and hit the space bar and type none or put $1. A lot of agents talk about things like that. And then you're going to convey to the buyer at closing the following personal property. It's important to put as much description as you can. Don't just say fridge. Say like the white stainless steel two-door open refrigerator in the kitchen with model number, if you see the model number on it and the door, usually it's in the door now, model number, et cetera, or something like that. Or even have a picture if you want to show it. If you're very specific on what you want to get and what you want, that way I've seen multiple people where they're like, yeah, I'm good with that. And then when they do it, they come to the home and the old ratty, nasty fridge that was in the garage has been switched out with the brand new fridge that was in the little kitchen. And on the final walkthrough, suddenly everyone's going to lose a deal over a fridge. So make sure you're careful. It's silly, but the little things. I've had a nasty, ratty fridge that they said they were going to leave and decided not to. It was like a $400 fridge. It was really just a basic fridge. And we almost lost a deal over it. We ended up just buying the people a new fridge. So it's ridiculous. So make sure if you're doing anything like that, you don't lose a deal over something non-realty. Make sure you're specific, everyone agrees to it, and there's no way to get out of it. And then that way you know. Now the reason we put 0 or none in here, if you put $5,000 in here, that can sometimes get the lender, can raise red flags, or the appraiser. So the lender is going to say, where is this $5,000 coming from? Who's paying for it? What's happening? Are you getting that extra money? Is that going to be added to the cost? It makes it so many weird questions about it. It's so much easier to just put it in there and put in like none or nothing. Now, the only time you would want to put something in there, now this is rare, as I say, you have a cash deal or something like that, and you want to put something in there, like say they want to invoice for everything. So you were going to put $5,000 and you put the fridge, the washer, dryer, because it's all cash. And the people who are buying or selling the home want to get, this is what we got. This they want to use it for tax reasons, whatever they're going to use it for. That would be one of the only reasons why you would do that. This form is pretty simple after that. You just sign it. But the main thing, don't put amount in here. This is what throws a lot of people off. Keep that as $1 or none. And then label everything as specific as possible. Description, model number, serial numbers, locations, any information you can have. Try to make it so there's no confusion of what the item is. That will save you so much headache. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do. We'll talk to you guys soon.